everyone and welcome back to my channel Aparna and it's me Aparna और आज आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ मेरा रीऑर्गेनाइजिंग ऑफ माय स्टडी रूम। यस, मेरे पास दो रूम है, एक मेरा स्टूडियो रूम है और मेरा स्लैश बेडरूम है और एक मेरा स्टडी रूम है। लाइक इट इज लिटरली AF स्टडी। ओके सो या अभी बज रहे रात के 9 और मैं उन सबको रीऑर्गेनाइज करने में busy थी, so I thought just taking you all with it, and my brother and my father is helping me, so yeah, that's so sweet of them. I totally love it. So yeah, you're gonna stay with me this whole time and let's see what we're gonna do because it's a whole mess. Let me show you. You will seriously say that Aparna, this is like crazy, and don't mind my face is not glowing. It is because of the sweat, because I've been working since 6 o'clock and it's 9 o'clock, so let's get started. So as you can see, it's like a big mess, and please don't mind the lighting because this is the night time and the lighting sucks. So this was what my study bed looks like, and that's my chair, and that's my father and my brother. They are just adjusting the shelf. So as you can see, it's a biggest mess right now. Like seriously, इतनी सारे किताबें हैं मेरी. Let's see. या वो मैंने white board अभी recently purchase किया है for and that's my that's my straightener and head. I don't know what's that doing there, but still it's there and all that jazz.
The benefit आपको मिलता है जब आपका भाई एक मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हो. So, are you enjoying? Say something. Okay, तो मैं बता दूँ, वो मुझसे गुस्सा नहीं है. उसका उसूल है कि जब तक काम चल रहा है वो एक शब्द नहीं बोलेगा. Is that so? Come on man, you are disrespecting me. A smile for my vlog. At least a good smile, not that forceful smile.
ये किताबों का भंडार तब लगता है जब आप एक साथ 2-2 डिग्री करते हो. I was not that why I'm doing this. Okay, so now this is what my final study room looks like. Woo! I'm so impressed. Now everything is set up on the table and all the books are arranged properly, and that's a cute little teddy. My board is there. I love that. Like, it's the main study material which you called, and this is what my bed look like. Although I don't sleep here, but still it is there. So yeah, it's look super. Hi everyone. So finally I am done with everything and it's like 12:30 and I'm glad, and thanks to my dad and my brother who helped me in this. Otherwise I couldn't do this like so early, and it's taken me like 3 to 4 hours, but it's okay. Like organizing a room, it's not that easy. Like literally, even if you don't have anything in that room, it will take like a whole long ages, but trust me, you're gonna love the result when you clean it. So yeah, I hope that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Find some motivation of cleaning your room. Good night. Yeah, because I'm going to sleep right now. So yeah, good night. And before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that red button, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Yeah, it's like I'm rambling. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.